One Train Flow, NSC, 570 ENT. All original here. Southwest the best, yeah dog, we coming back. Listen when I bring the news and lay it down upon this track. Extra, extra, read all about it. NSC is what I told them, tell them holla back. Get them stuck, but I ain't talking about the Harlem crack. Looking at me funny, but not till you hear the lyrics in my raps. Have you spinning this globe until you see me on the map. All my own rhymes, little homie, never had the jack. Walking steady on this rap. Tight rope, but a monster with my lines keep creeping, and I'm repeating the verses from my note. But coming like you flow, hell no. Steady slowing you down like a bad stroke. And I know I ain't no Crizzle or no Rocky, but I'm better than your average. So if you call me names, and you can start by calling me cocky. Last time, last line, yeah, almost finished, can't get sloppy. But gonna end it on a good note. If you were as good as you say, real rapper, then you would have stopped me. NSC, One Train.